Alameda Squad. Whoa. What's the sound?
He got a bird.
Who wants some
Loud shame in this bitch.
Alright.
But he went, alright, mix it in two of these, two of the put one.
Yo, be quiet a little bit, guys.
Let's go. Da-da-do.
Touch the one to
I need 30.
Alright, let's try that again.
Alright. Hey, we back. Hey, we back. Okay. Okay. Listen. Alameda Squad. Alameda Squad, yeah, we back on the beat. Matter of fact, I'm in the streets, yeah, we cooking up this shit. And we got that fucking Bud Light niggas in this bitch. Matter of fact, Elmer Fudd with the shotty in this bitch. You gon' die with one clip, motherfucker, fuck a fifth. Hey, and I put that on everything. Bitch, I smoke Mary Jane. Fuck that fucking heavy thing. Niggas chopping up the shit. Bitches sucking up the shit. Niggas talking about we making flicks. Like fuck that bitch. Hey, we going dumb in this bitch. Niggas rapping about numbers. Niggas rapping about life. Nigga, this is my life. Nigga, fuck your fucking bitch. Every day on the block, try and cook the fucking pot. Matter of fact, try and put dollars in my fucking Nike box. Matter of fact, you over here try and get it. Try to fucking cut grass, try to fucking shut grass, but whole time y'all niggas ain't motherfucker fuck